Hello, people, and just like that, this is my sixth video of the day. And the fact is, you know, as of today on Facebook, this very close friend, she shaved her head, you know. So my my first reaction was shock. I mean, I was like, but then when I really think of it, it's like I mean, it takes a very bold person to do something like that, and bold and it's when you really think of it, you live only once, so you might as well do things that make you happy rather than just conform to to the standards laid by society. So I thought it was very brave of her. So, and there's this phrase now, letting your hair down. So she like literally let go of her hair and let caution to the winds. So I think that is in itself a kind of lesson and something that we could probably learn from. See, even as I'm speaking, I have all these colleagues sitting and playing inside, like because it's the lunch break. So that also makes one think that we grew up in an environment. I mean, especially as a girl, that you don't really play in your workspace or this that, but who makes these rules? And as long as your conscience is clear, why do you need to follow all these rubbish random rules? So that's what that is, like the bit size gyan today, that do what your heart tells you. Yeah, that's it's only one life you get to lead, so that's really important thing to do. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.